Welcome to FTx Academy. My name is Michael, and I'll be walking you through the onboarding process. This series of videos will introduce you to Control Center, your backend management portal, and how to fully utilize it for your business needs. We'll also go into the POS and show you how to start selling in no time. Feel free to branch off from these videos at any point if you'd like to learn more about specific modules and explore our knowledge base. To get the most out of your new POS system, we want to know more about your business. During the onboarding process, you will receive a list of questions such as, are credit cards integrated or standalone? This is important because it will influence how we build our POS panel buttons as well as reporting. Will scan data reports be done? We ask so that we are able to assist in ensuring all of the prerequisites are entered into the system and ready to start participating in their offers prior to day one of opening with your new POS software. How are taxes handled for your business? Do you offer city, state, or county taxes? Do you want to set them up individually or combine them? We are capable of all of these different configurations and require those questions to be answered prior to you launching with your new system. What forms of payment are taken? This is important for understanding how we want to build our POS panels. What peripherals are going to be used? A barcode scanner, a receipt printer, label printer, etc. We ask because this helps us ensure that your POS is fully installed with all of the up-to-date drivers required to make those peripherals work. How are your orders and invoices handled? At store or corporate level? If corporate, is it only one person or multiple? If it's store level, is it any and everyone or only management? Are they manually done or automated? This is also important information as this helps us understand what permissions are required when setting up your employees. What types of employees do you have? Do you have cashiers, managers, area managers, district managers? You can create employee groups to accommodate all of these positions and further flesh out what they're allowed to do and are responsible for, all from a top-down perspective. All of these questions and more will be provided to you by your onboarding specialist. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's get into it.